Welcome to your new home. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to show you this house. Come on in. As we walk through, I'm going to tell you about some of the great features and upgrades this house has. So we are standing in the main living area of the home. You notice we have diagonal tile floors, beautiful open concept, and a very nice built-in system here set for a large TV and with quartz countertops and cabinets for storage, so really great setup. If you look up, you see this beautiful tray ceiling with double crown molding, and also very nice colors throughout this home. Custom window treatments and curtains, and it's really very turnkey. So we'll walk through and we'll talk about some of these upgrades as we do, and I want to just really give you a good taste of what this home has to offer. So right off the bat we go into the kitchen and you'll see we've got a nice size island here. This island was expanded. It was a smaller island in the model and they wanted more space to work with, a nice little sitting area there to do your planning. And then we have a natural gas stove that has 5 burners and equipped with a pot filler, so very ease for accessing your water and working with your cooking needs. This house has soft close drawers on these cabinets. We've got the built-in trash system here, so your trash cans are hidden, and of course we've got the oven over here and the microwave. We've got the double door refrigerator, a very nice sized pantry, and a beautiful dining area. We'll go into the laundry room here in a minute, but the laundry room is right off of the kitchen. But first I want to show you the left side of the house. So we came in through the foyer, of course, and again we've got a double tray ceiling here. We've got beautiful mosaic accent tiles here, just really making the tile stand out as you enter in. Grand entrance, and we have a den with double French doors, so if you want to close the den off you can, but look at the amount of space in here. We've got an entertainment set up for movies, we've got a desk over here for working and reading and whatnot, and then we've got a nice little sitting area as well. So this is a very functional room. It could also serve as a third bedroom if you need a third bedroom. This house is just slightly over 2,500 square feet. This is the guest suite. It does have its own ensuite bathroom. You'll notice in the closets there's extra shelving. So we've got a higher shelf and a lower shelf, so you've got plenty of room to be able to store your clothes and any other knickknacks that you need to be putting in the closet. The bedrooms are carpeted. The rest of the house has the beautiful ceramic tile. I also want you to notice the corners on the walls are bullnose. They're rounded corners, so no sharp corners to run into. And we are headed to the master suite, but first we're going to stop in the powder room. So your guests are going to be very comfortable with a half bath right off of the living area. This is the master suite. This space is huge. As you can see, we've got the tray ceiling and the crown molding again. We've got the built-in entertainment system with mirrors and the granite top and tons of drawers. So you've got a built-in dresser ready to go. The master bathroom has 2 very well-sized walk-in closets with closet systems built in. So again, lots of storage space and the ability to be very organized in your closets. Master bathroom with the soaker tub. We've got 2 sinks. Awesome walk-in shower with a very nice size seat. And now we're going to head out back. I want to show you this beautiful landscape that you're going to enjoy behind the house. Before we get outside though, I want you to see this. This is a bonus sunroom area. It has its own mini split system, so it can be climate controlled to your comfort. And you notice we've got a fan out here, recessed lights, but just tons of sliders transom windows, big windows on either side. So this is a beautiful place to really just enjoy the sunshine and nature. You can open the doors up and have screens, and you head right out then onto this pavered patio. So this is a great space. It's an oversized corner lot. The hill in the back is community owned, so they take care of the hedges. The sidewall and the hedges over here give you optimal privacy, only one neighbor. You'll never have anybody behind or to the left of the house. And it's just a great space to be able to relax outside and enjoy the Florida weather and lifestyle. So I'm going to take you now to see the laundry room and into the garage, and while I do that, I'm going to tell you a bit about Terra Vista. So Terra Vista is a gated resort community. It is a really awesome development with all that it has to offer. It's got something for everyone. This community has a couple of different pools. You've got a lap pool for exercise if you want to use that, or you have the community pool that's outside for enjoyment of pool and the outdoors. And we have walking trails, we've got a dog park, there's multiple golf courses if you like golfing, we have tennis courts, we have restaurants. We've got a very nice upscale restaurant. We also have a more casual dining restaurant, as well as a tiki bar for entertainment during the week. All kinds of specials going on. We have the activity center that does entertainment throughout the month, and there's a full calendar of activities. I'll stop there for a second because we're obviously in the laundry room. You can see we've got the same cabinets, we've got a hanging shelf for the clothes, and we've got the laundry tub. So that's the house. Again, as far as the community, there's something for everybody here. It is a great place to live. There's a lot of neighbors doing outdoor activities, getting together for game nights. Just a really well-connected community. So if you're looking for that type of environment, for the lifestyle, for the Florida relaxed, laid-back living, then you found it here. There's very low inventory right now, so this is one of just a couple of homes available at the moment. So if you're interested in this, please reach out to me. Let's discuss the property some more and get you out to see it. I am your Realtor on Demand, Ruth Squires. You can reach me at 352-794-1426. Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great day.